Howdy everybody, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fletch. This week's recipe video, we're doing a creamy broccoli stuffed chicken. So let's get started, guys. Alright guys, my daughter a few weeks ago came across this video. I'm not sure if she found it on Instagram or Twitter or whatever, but it's a video, a recipe she really wanted me to do. So we're doing it today. So first of all, we're going to take 8 ounces of cream cheese, throw it in our food processor. We also got the small head of broccoli, get that going in our food processor as well. And a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. And then we get our spices. We have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, I said teaspoon, didn't I? It's a tablespoon on both of those, and a tablespoon of cayenne, or I just can't get it right at all today. That's a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then I have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. We'll get all that put in our blender, get our lid put on, just get it blended up till it's nice and smooth. Get all the broccoli chopped. Grab a spatula, scrape down the sides a little bit, get it so it gets a nice consistency on our cream cheese. Gets it mixed well with that broccoli. Alright guys, we got our stuffing ready to go into our chicken. Just got to get our chicken breast ready. So we're going to take our chicken breast and we're just going to butterfly it. So we'll cut an opening in it. Just like that, kind of butterfly it. Then we'll take some of our stuffing. Generous, probably about 2 tablespoons worth of the stuffing going in there. And then we'll just fold that back over on top. Go ahead and set this on our sheet pan for now. So I get the other one stuffed, and then we're going to get our electric griddle out and we'll go and sear them on both sides before we throw them in the oven. Alright guys, we got our electric griddle heated up to 400. Got all of our chicken breast stuffed. Just going to go ahead and spray our griddle real quick. Take our chicken breast, throw them on there. We only need them on here for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. We're basically just getting the chicken breast seared, and then we're going to finish cooking them in the oven. Alright guys, they just came off the electric skillet. Like I said, we just had them on there long enough to sear them on both sides. We're going to go ahead and take some more mozzarella cheese, sprinkle over the top of them. Got about another 1/4 cup of cheese here that we're going to sprinkle across all 5 of our chicken breasts. And these are going to go in the oven, guys. I got the oven preheated to 400 degrees. They're going to go in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, guys, they just came out the oven. Let's go ahead and get one plated up. And they look good. Doesn't that look good, guys? I'm going to take this to my daughter since it was her video idea. We're going to let her taste test it. Alright guys, like I said, this recipe video was an idea of my youngest daughter. So we're going to let her taste test it. Her boyfriend Tyler is also here. He's going to taste test as well. So I'll let them try it out and see what they think.
Okay, this looks good.
Really good.
I like it. It's really good.
Tastes good. Alright.
Very juicy.
Thumbs up. Well, I'm glad she liked it, but I've got to try it myself too. So let's get this piece cut off. Sorry, Harley, you can't have none. Give me a piece. Man, guys, that is nice and juicy. That's good stuff, guys. Now remember, cooking should be fun. So make sure y'all are having fun with it. See y'all next week. Well, guys, I hope y'all liked that video. Make sure y'all try it at home. Hit that like button. And if you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And guys, I always enjoy comments, so go ahead and shoot me a comment if you want. We'll see y'all next week. Enjoy!